So a little bit more detail. We do live in an RV full time. However, I had really bad sciatic issues, and so we needed to get off the road basically, and I needed to go to physical therapy and see doctors and all that kind of good stuff. Well, I had surgery in December, and so I am just a couple days short of my 6 weeks post-op. So I'm feeling so much better, and I'm so glad that we stopped for a while. We have rented a house in a little tiny town. Sorry, I'm shaking the video. And we're staying with my son and his wife and our grandbaby, the most adorablest grandbaby in the whole wide world. And I can say that because she's mine. But we do plan on going back full-timing in May. And why are we waiting till May? Because we are in Iowa. And let me just show you outside, if it will focus. Maybe not. Yep, there it is. Snow is on the ground. Yeah. So, but it's sunny out today. That's nice. So there is snow on the ground, but the reason why we are here is because of my surgery, and why we are not leaving yet is because my husband is having surgery in 2 days, and he's having a full hip replacement. So that's like a 12-week recovery time, so a lot like a double of mine. So we're waiting until May 1st. We're going to hit the road. And so I wanted to give you a bit more detail, but it would take forever to type that out. So I thought I'll just do a quick little video and explain. Yes, we are full-time, but we're not full-timing right now, but we are going back. So I will be updating like where we are and the beautiful scenery and crochet and just, taking you along the trip with us. And then you can live vicariously through us and travel and see things. And we want to give our daughter, an education she just can't get through books or the internet. And we want to make life real to her and give her opportunity of a lifetime. So that's what we're doing. And I hope you come along this journey with us and you enjoy every minute of it, because I cannot wait to share with you all our wonderful adventures and all the fiber art fun stuff that I will be bringing you. Thanks for watching.